Why are the letters from friends, family, and some of the people that are close to you needed with your documents in submission for your I-612 and DS-335 with your J1 waiver? They are very important because they have been proven that with all evidences that you have to submit, there is really something that would ponder your relationship. In this video, we are going to talk about that. So let's dive in and let the journey begin. Hello everyone, my name is Emmary. Welcome to Powerful Couple Journey, where we show you our immigration process, especially with the J1 waiver through Do It Yourself. In this video, we're going to talk the importance of the family members, co-workers, and other friends that are close to you when it comes to their letters. I have prepared J1 Waiver Helping Hands group. That way you could also go there and ask for specific questions. There are already more than 3,000 J1 teachers and J1 visa holders alike that are participating in the group to give the insights on how they did their J1 waiver, either with immigration lawyer or if they do it DIY. When it comes to your letter, it has to have the signature, the name, the address if specific, and at the same time the phone number of your family member. I have prepared our sample letter, which is found in the powerfulcouplejourney.com, where there are specific letters that we have: letters from our church pastor, letters from friends, letters from co-worker, letters from family members that are helping us with our waiver arguments. When it comes to that, you also have to connect each of the letters that is also backed up with the sworn statement letter, either with the J1 visa holder or with your U.S. citizen spouse. With mine, I always make sure that my husband's sworn letter is connected to all of the letters that was presented to us and given to us by our family members. That way, whenever there are arguments that my husband is saying that he has exceptional hardship, like for example with emotional hardship, we could back it up through the family member's letter, which is from my father-in-law. So in that way, the adjudicating officer that is reading your papers could really tell that your U.S. citizen spouse, based on his sworn letter, that he is really having a hardship, and not just with his own statement, but of course with the letter coming from a family member. Also, make sure that you have a lot of wedding photos or your plane tickets, cards, and family gatherings that you have, and you can either put a caption in each photo and print, or you can just print it and write it down. That's what I did during my time, and it worked for us. This is our way of sharing to you the ideas that we are showcasing in our website, Powerful Couple Journey, because this is, I believe, the only channel that is showing to you the DIY process. I know it's hard to do it yourself, especially the agony of waiting from start to finish. It took us 2 years in order to get my J1 waiver, and eventually I was able to get my green card. And it's a 10-year green card because I no longer have the conditional green card, since I got it after 2 years that we got married. Not unless you get your green card before 2 years of getting married to your U.S. citizen spouse, then they will give you a 2-year conditional green card. But if you surpass the 2 years, then the USCIS will provide you with a 10-year green card. And that is really important because you can either have your U.S. citizenship after 3 to 5 years, or you can let your green card finish for 10 years, then apply for a U.S. citizenship here in the United States of America. So please don't forget to check out most of the videos we have here showing how we did the DIY J1 waiver process, the timeline. That way you will also be guided and from the perspective of a J1 Filipina teacher who did it DIY and was being successful in getting her green card. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and be able to give insights through putting down your comments in the comment section. And always pray to God that you'll also get your J1 waiver. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye!